Good morning, this is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're going to paint a landscape, an autumn landscape. And I'm starting off with some black paint, get my watercolor paper covered, and it's the first step. What I'm going to do is grab a toothbrush here, and I want to get some blue paint and just start kind of getting some stars in there. And just flicking it with my finger. I'll get some white in there too. Oh, I got a little spill. That's all right. That's kind of fun. A fun picture there so far. Get a little white on my finger. And I'm going to just dab it off there on the table a little bit. And I'm going to paint in the moon. Let me get a little bit more paint on there and show that a little bit more. It's totally okay to use a variety of tools and a little bit of bright Aqua Green. Kind of creating a little horizon there. Get a little bit of blue paint, and want to paint in some trees. Just sort of mixing with the paint there. You know, I am painting wet on wet. I haven't let the paint dry at all. Actually, I'm going to get a little bit of yellow ochre on my fan brush here. And I'm just going to kind of dab it on the table to relax it a little bit. And I'm just going to go in and kind of paint in some foliage. Kind of fun. And see, kind of fun, enjoying it. Let me get a little bit of white on my still on the same fan brush. I really like to relax the paint by dabbing it like that on my workspace. And I'm just going to go below the moon right here and put in a little bit of a reflection. And then I want to also paint in the tree reflection. See, I'm just mirroring what I see here into the water. Maybe I'll get a little bit of white on my brush and go ahead and highlight these trees a little bit. You know, the moon is right there, right? So you want to kind of put some light on those trees. And maybe here on the ground. And, you know, so I get a little paint on my brush, but I often, you know, dab it on my towel here. Oh, I kind of like it. Huh? I think, actually, I want to do another tree here. I have to wait for that to dry a little bit. You know, up until this point, it's all been wet on wet. A bit of yellow ochre on there. With a tree. Oh, it's pretty though, huh? So what I do is I kind of rotate the brush while I'm dabbing it like this. And that keeps it pretty loose as far as the leaves go a little bit, you know. Kind of spinning the brush as I go. Yeah. That worked out kind of nice. Now, the reason why my paintings go so fast, and the reason why there's, you know, just so fast is because I'm painting wet on wet. For beginners, I don't recommend doing that unless, you know, you can practice and play with it, but what I recommend doing is waiting for layers to dry. So like when I paint the black, you wait for that to dry for 10 minutes. Then you do the stars with the toothbrush. And then you paint the star. You just do each one, you wait for it to dry. And that actually can be a lot easier than doing it the way I just did it without waiting. So I'm just kind of doing touch-ups now a little bit. Oh, got another reflection to do here for that tree. Get a little bit more white paint on my brush, and when I kind of do that thing with the trees there. And maybe I'll go and just do a little bit of white on these tree stalks a little bit to make them a little bit more interesting. I'm going to get a little bit of white, kind of relax it on my brush, and just kind of go in real lightly into this bright aqua green and just sort of touch that up with a little bit of white, kind of giving the feeling of a snowy kind of situation there. Oh yeah, I like it. And yes, it's okay to like your art. It is okay. A lot of people say, a lot of artists say, oh no, you can't like your art. I don't know why they say it's silly. But that is a pretty little piece there for sure. Let's put a little water on my brush to kind of get that paint to loosen up a little bit. And then I think I'll go get my toothbrush again. Get a little white on my toothbrush, and just want to add some more stars. Could also be snow, maybe. Oh yeah, I think that turned out really nice. Okay, let's get some close-ups of this. Okay, this is a really pretty piece that turned out really nice. It's got some really beautiful details. Again, my name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and here on my channel I teach sculpting, clay and wire, making jewelry, painting, all kinds of things like that. And I make it obtainable so that the average person can do it. So I hope you will try and send me a photo of your work. My contact information is in the video description down below the video. And please give the video a like, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, tell me where you're watching from. I'd like to know, and what you thought of the video. And subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get a notification when I upload. I have over 500 tutorials on my channel, and I try to update and add to it frequently. That's about it. I really do appreciate your support a great deal. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.